Another big story now, and it's a Target 12 investigators exclusive. A high-profile lawyer hoping to be Rhode Island's next attorney general is blasted by a bankruptcy judge for sloppy work. Attorney Kevin Mckenna is no stranger to controversial headlines, and he's once again drawn sharp criticism from a judge. And only Eyewitness News has obtained the court tapes from the hearing. From the Providence Mobile Newsroom, Target 12 investigator Tim White is in the capital city.
Attorney Kevin Mckenna will be the first to tell you he's a legal lightning rod and has been in a judge's crosshairs on many occasions. But in this case, a bankruptcy judge thought so little of his work, he took the unusual step and ordered him to refund his clients.
August 3rd was a tough day in federal bankruptcy court for attorney Kevin Mckenna.
This is absolutely sloppy work. And to have a client sign a document under oath with the inattention to detail that is contained in this, judge, that is not deserving of any compensation.
That's the voice of trustee John Boyajian from a court recording obtained by Target 12. Boyajian says Mckenna filed key documents with several errors even after being told to correct them. Listen as the judge orders Mckenna to pay his clients back $3,500.
The actions of Mr. Mckenna in this case were not just sloppy and careless, but in this case appear to be tantamount to reckless.
All these things.
Mckenna, who is running for the office of Attorney General as an independent, says the punishment was heavy-handed for what he called clerical errors on a complicated form.
He has no right to be telling me how to practice law. And if he wants to tell me how to practice law, should I be telling him how to practice being a judge?
Mckenna says he didn't bother fixing the errors because he was pulling the case out of federal court anyway.
Don't you have a responsibility to make sure a document's accurate? A document that's going to live in eternity in the judicial system?
Oh, Tim, that's silliness. It is.
The judge didn't think it was silly.
Oh, I happen to think he's silly, and I opposed it.
In response, Mckenna appealed the ruling and turned today's interview into a photo op, making sure a check exchange played out in front of our cameras. The client tells us through a translator he's happy with Mckenna's work.
He is a landlord for several Section 8s in Providence. If I don't protect him, there are people in Providence that are on the street. That's what's at stake here. It's not filling out forms.
Mckenna says he's moved this case to state court, and so far he's been able to save his clients' properties, which he considers a victory. With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, Eyewitness News.
If you'd like to listen to the court hearing for yourself, we've posted the entire recording on our website. There you can also watch an extended interview with Kevin Mckenna. Just log on to WPRI.com.